Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, no, don't shoot me. So this morning we are going to start setting our tutu coach before the parapet. And I would like to carry you guys along. I want to go and show you guys because they don't start work already. We did not start work early today. This is after 10. I not spoil my wood finish. My wood finish. So we are constructing step. Let me say step. Yes, step that we are going to use to climb up. This step now, is it not step? I mean, I don't talk to you. And I provoke me this morning. May no follow me talk. See the tower and they start work. Organic come instead to come and start work. Just the answer call. We are constructing step that we are going to use to climb up to set the tutu coach. So that is what we are doing. See. Yes, person keeps stomach, carry big stomach, they come sight.
I go try that kind of thing. I go chop am alone.
Men are manager like that. So we don't start to work.
I go chop am alone. I go push tire.
Okay, you don't lose too.
Alukula mo be ti n je tie.
Nígbà tí ẹ bá rú lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n.
Bá lọ jókòó àgbà tẹ́ ẹ lọ ń dé ta fún yẹ ìrọ̀rọ̀ sọ. Work. For a papa house, then give am one room. For a mama house, then give am room and parlour. Kò dẹ̀ lè rẹ nísì kankan nu méjèèjì.
Nǹkan fi lè carry this come o ìjàpá. Oga, that run wey you run so. Wetin you talk? If na that day now you work in Nigeria 5,000.
Obasanjo brother. Eh? This one be half caste again. Half Igbo, half Yoruba. And make the answer Obasanjo. Okay, we don't start to work. Oh. See your guy in Olóyè man on top. I'm not that happy. I know what I go. If I wish I was not happy, I go find water drink. Ojuku, well done, sir. I beg you to tap your own well. See this place, they open. They tap and well. Oh, when you with a new car.
Maybe na that place you want to do.
Yo, Olóyè, yo.
Hey, nigga.
Nigga, man.
What's up?
What's up, nigga? Hey guys, so this is the second trip they're bringing for us for the cement. How many can they come?
Give out there.
300.
Your girlfriend, they call you for 300. Why 300?
Oga na 300.
I wasn't I tell you to make a carry come today. Come on for my road, Jan.
Why dey do me like this
Now 300 block when I carry come today.
No go cook.
Now try today. I want to go cook.
See wetin tell you. This one never pass block finish now. I for say you all go go come like that. How much you want to collect?
Yeah?
How many you want?
Waiting be that. No, 300 the normal.
Why you come dey whine me?
When I try now. Hey guys, I'm cooking jollof rice. I'm so hungry, so I decided to come and put food on fire. We are still working at the site though. I'm going there now. I'll carry my food to go there, go eat. I just put the food on fire, put the ingredients that I need to put, then go to the site. Want to shake it now, and it has already done. So I have to carry my own to the site. Hey guys, ẹ̀gbọ́n yín ká ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ẹ̀gbọ́n ọ̀gá yín ká, you no dey answer me.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n.
So the carpenter man is done with the knacking of this bamboo, because those people that do casting the other day, no be small thing. No, they said if they carry something on their head that they cannot be able to pass through this place. Let me show you guys here. So that is the reason why they scatter everything here. They scatter all this place before, but today now the carpenter man has already knock the bamboo for us, so that we can be able to use it to set all this pillar to the level that it's supposed to be. So that is the reason why he helped us to knock it. Then this plank that we put here, I'm not the one that put the plank there because I cannot climb up. It's the man that helped us to treat the water. He's the one that put the plank there. The reason is because this big tank, this our treatment big tank, we forgot to pass it here before the day that they knocked this thing, that very first time that they knocked the bamboo. So it cannot pass here. So that is the reason why he put the plank there, to raise the tank up and pass it through that place. But later he passed it through the back yard. So that is the reason why he put the plank there. So we are still going to carry the planks down. So that is it. Bamboo is plenty here. Oh, see, we have plenty bamboo here. Even inside this room safe, they pack some planks and bamboo here. This is the remaining ties that we have. We have ties here. All these are the remaining ties. We have plenty ties here that remain. All these are some woods. See the light that they fix at this back here. The light that they fix for us here. See the kitchen tap. This one is the kitchen tap. This is the kitchen tap. After connecting the pumping machine and everything, the water will be passing through here to the kitchen. This is our generator wire. If we on generator, we connect the wire here. This wire now. Everything is already done here. So we have a lot of things here. We have a lot of bamboo here. Bamboo is too plenty in all these rooms. This one is parlor. We put all the bamboo here. Some of the bamboo that we lose from this decking. Here is where we pack it. All these ones now, we lose all this one under here. Everything is where it's supposed to be. This is cement though. Organica, you get one cement where they here, oh, half bag. May they come carry am under this step case. I beg go. If I not come here, I not go see the cement here. You can carry the cement before it goes spoil. It's still there, okay, nothing do am. Nothing can be this one for black. For this black bag. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there inside. I beg, can't carry the cement or maybe we miss some. So guys, we are done with today's work. We don't round up. So we are going to continue tomorrow. We are going to continue the setting tomorrow, because this will not be 1 day work or not be 2 days work. This work is going to finish about, let me say just 3 days. 3 days. Now this work will take us, because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. And the next thing that we are going to do here is to go and saw wood that we are going to use for the parapet. After taking the measurement of this block, now we are going to cast the parapet. We are going to knock the parapet, then cast it. We still have a lot of work to do. So they just close work for today. We are going to continue tomorrow. Man, I no bath inside my site though.
Okay.
When we say when I go close work with the bath inside site. Okay. See river here, when I go there, go swim.
Okay.
So guys. Okay. So see all this place now. We don't set all this place. Una quick close work. Oh. Oga, you can say what follow you talk.
Okay, the conside.
He said you know the conside take.
Hello, dear.
So this is
You there, pa?
where we stop for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.
He said, I talk to you.